Hey guys, welcome back with another video. We are currently playing Bee Swarm, Amelia.
Hey guys.
And, anyways, let's get right into it. Amelia, where do you need help?
What do you need help with?
Nothing, really. I don't know what I want to improve with my hive. Like, where do you want me to grind?
I have to go grind inside the field.
I want to change my hive, but I don't know what to change about it.
Yes, 2 spiders. Let's go.
Only one counts. Oh, gives you extra stingers.
How did you defeat one of the spiders? I have legs.
Only your spider counts.
Yes, but there were 2.
Only my spider doesn't count to your spider. Because it's...
Yes, I defeated one. I need it for a thing.
Oh, my bad.
So what is this?
Yeah, this is Vicious Bee.
You have a vicious bee?
I have one. I don't have one. I don't think so. I'm gonna check.
Ah! Maybe I have the vicious bee.
No, it's a special bee. It's an event. I could have just checked my inventory. You claim it by getting 250 stingers, and then you can go over here and collect your own vicious bee.
How do you know? I didn't do all that.
Go to your inventory and scroll down until you see stingers.
Huh?
Go to your inventory and see how many stingers you have.
Hello. I've never even seen that before.
Yeah, it appears, almost every night it appears in a field.
Yay, I chose the right field.
Like, there will be a little, spike sticking out of the ground. If you step on it, a vicious bee appears. Your internet, your audio's cutting out. Well, let's see if I have any puffs ready. Puff shrooms.
God, I'm already like over halfway full.
Right, I don't know why, but do you have any microconverters?
Yeah, I have 4.
Oh.
Your audio is cutting out.
Oh, well. Come on, gotta buy magic beans faster. I need 2 more. I need 40. There's a sprout. Good. Yummy. Do you want to fill up slower, Amelia?
No, actually filling up fast is what I need right now to finish.
Oh.
And I'm already about to have to.
This is the very next one.
Not
plates.
What is the playtime thing
What?
though?
Wait, what?
How does it, does the, oh lord,
Yeah. The playtime.
the playtime one?
Yeah.
How does that one work?
So every it counts in how many hours you've been on the game. So it goes minutes, hours, and then days.
Okay, so is the make it go faster?
No, besides playing more.
Okay.
I forgot what I need to do, but I know what I need to do at the same time. Oh, that's right, kill mobs. Well, that's one of the things I need to do. Shoot. Is my coconut crab ready? Oh. I forgot I had him clipped. He's my little unadopted orphan. My cocoa crab.
Okay. So, let's see. After I grab in this field, I'll go back to the sunflower field.
Yes.
Okay. What's Buddy doing in here?
Buddy?
Yeah.
What is he? Is he a bear?
Yeah, Buddy the bear.
He is a cub buddy. They follow you around, collect tokens, and sometimes give you gifts.
Oh, that's why there's so many tokens in this thing.
Do you own a cub buddy?
I don't know, I'm in a field with Buddy right now.
Well, he doesn't. If it's not your cub buddy, you don't get anything from it.
You don't know whose it is, he's all alone.
Yeah, his owner probably left him. The stray dog. He's a stray doggy now.
Can I take him?
No. Can't adopt strays.
So he's abandoned?
Basically.
Oh.
It's a hard knock life.
I'm not gonna lie. Is there any other field besides the spider field that has
Spiders?
Spider?
No.
Dang it.
Unless if you can magically make that happen. Oh, well, there's cave spiders.
Where do I go from those?
Do you know the 15B gate?
Yeah.
You know how there's a werewolf? You have to kill the werewolf and enter his cave, and there's gonna be some little friends waiting there for you.
You think I could go there? When?
Well, there's a higher chance you'll die. Hey, I get footage of...
Wait, you're telling me there's still a low chance that I could?
Yeah.
You know, I'm all for taking chances.
I have a hard time killing him. I get...
I'm next, though.
It's a miracle. I get footage of me actually buying a hydroponic planter on video.
What?
Oh, I don't have enough honey. Shucks. Okay. Shush.
Imagine.
I have 6 more minutes left. I can just pop a bunch of stuff.
We should make a part 2 to this.
That would be good. Like the Shark Pet series?
Yeah. Except we should make, like, actual series of the game.
Yeah.
But that could be a game that saves progress.
Bee Swarm does.
Yeah, I guess we could.
And Shark Bite. Whichever one we can get more fun out of.
We could probably do a series of both.
Yeah. And this is a good time to mention, shoot, I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, but
I do that all the time. Or if I'm like, oh, I know that person. Yeah, their name is, and then I don't know them at all.
exactly. It's like walking into a room and you forget why you're there, like completely.
One time, I went to get food from the kitchen, and then I walked into the kitchen. I was like, oh no. I sat back down. I was like, oh right.
Exactly. Yeah, you leave
And then I
the room.
forgot, and that happened like 5 times before I actually ended up getting my food.
Yeah. It's like that time on a test. You know the answer, but you circle the wrong answer, and you move on, and like a minute later, you realize you circled the wrong answer.
Or if you know the answer, and then you're like, ugh, and then you pick the wrong answer, and then you realize like it was the right one that you first thought, and you're like, yo, I got it. That is.
Do you know what boomalakaka means?
Malakaka.
Boomalakaka means boom boom the poo.
What?
It really does.
No, you're lying.
No, last year, someone in my class searched it up, and they really said, searched up boomalakaka in English, or in Spanish, and put boom boom the poo.
Well, first of all, it's Hakuna Matata.
I said boomalakaka.
Yeah, and it's Hakuna Matata.
Huh? Don't think Hakuna Matata means have, I don't know what it means. Shoot.
It's no worries.
Boomalakaka is boom boom the poo. And what are you saying?
Where did you get Hakuna
Boomalakaka. Boom boom.
Where did
It's not, you're not with our, lingo.
Yes, I'm not in.
I like how we're having a whole conversation about this. Alrighty, y'all.
Almost done with my spider one, and then once I finish
My guinea pig's giving me the side eye.
Bro. When
He
I
really
finish
is.
my sunflower field thing, then I can get
We should do a guinea pig review.
the head.
Yeah, I review my guinea pig at like 1,000 subs.
You heard it here first. It's a some Snickers.
My guinea pig with at 1K subs.
1 grand is all it takes.
To see me a guinea pig. He is getting old, so I hope if we can get it there in time, we'll see him.
How old is he?
He's 5 years old in human years, about 75 in guinea pig years.
Not bad.
Not that bad. Do you know what it feels like to be 75?
They live till about like 10.
They live to 8. No, actually, they're supposed to live till 5. My guinea pig's a trooper. And like the other 3 guinea pigs that died like the first week at my house. I had Doodle with Snickers. He died after like the first week, and I had Oreo. He survived like 2 years and then died. And I had Cookie, died recently.
Dang, we've been through it.
Yeah, Snickers is a trooper. He suffers from PTSD, anxiety, and depression. He's lived through all the world wars. He's an ancient artifact. I can't bring him to a museum. He hurts dust.
Oh. Like, should wrap him up like a mummy.
Oh yeah. Well, I have to end the video. It's getting 15 minutes. All right. Anyway, see y'all later, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.